Hello. Hello, now we are live on London session exactly at 10:03 a.m. So let me share my stream with my audience and then we will start the analysis and the trade for the day and the session. I mean, for this session. By the way, we have taken out the Asia high of the day. Let's get into trading now properly. So we are currently at 0.3%. We need 5% more to pass this account. I would like to go slow. I'm not going to do any kind of hurry. So is there any kind of shorts? Yep, the short will be there, or there will be longs. I'm more into longs, but if I get a short, I will short the market. So we have started the London session now, and let me show you my DFT account. I'm 1% up on the DFT account. If I had closed earlier, I would have been like 2% up, but I am 1% up. I need four more percent, and that's not an issue for sure. Let's get back to our wealth or funded account, and let me set the stream so my audience can join. कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा. What happened to my Discord? Come on, come online. I will be here till 5 a.m. So 2 hours of stream. Can anyone think of sorting the gold right now? Well, I can think of it. I can even sort the gold and even take a winning position on it. Address everyone. We are live in London session. I need to do some work on my Discord, personal Discord. I will hire someone after I take a payout. He might take like $100 or something, but that would be good. I think we should be trading Nasdaq today. Let's look at MNQ and mark the opening price of the day. Well, our trade went well. We didn't take this. We had not taken this. Let it load. Yes, well, here we had set the breaker long and it went all the way up. This would have been a crazy trade, but we did not take it. But we will take the trade that is coming down. There is a trade coming down on Nasdaq, and we are going to take that. 44449 458 1405 58 59. So here is the closure of the market. End of low Wednesday, March. It's April. It's April 1. Remember, if you're trading with me, then you must follow day side risk management. And the one model for day side risk management that we follow here is uploaded and taught for free. Alt alt r. So here we are in a breakers wrap situation. Let's see if we get a, we have this breaker. Do we have this? We have high, we have low, we have high, we have low, we have high, we have low, we have higher, we have higher low. Then this would be the breaker, if I'm not wrong. But I want to see another higher high right now. Let's look at MNQ. Yep, we have high, we have low, we have higher high, we have higher low. Then this is another higher high. But we don't have a body candle close here, so this is a liquidity swipe. So we have a thunder model here. We will have our thunder model here, that is this fair value gap. Yeah, what is this indicator I am using? I am not rushing into a trade, but if the market is to go down, then this is the thunder fair value gap, because it did not create any kind of inversion or breaker right now. The breaker will be confirmed only after this candle closure, and I think this is a very low probability setup. Let's come back at gold. So do we have any kind of setups here? Actually, we do not have any kind of setups. You could go with this 100 FVG, but I highly doubt that. I'm not taking this trade at all. We do have a liquidity swipe, and there is any liquidity, so there is, I want this liquidity to be swiped here, or this liquidity to be swiped to take, or either this liquidity to go for longs. And let's look at dollar index. The dollar index has created a breaker, but I don't think it will have any kind of effect, because there is huge sum of liquidities down below the market, and the market will go down very rapidly to the to up to 97x level. You can see that on the daily time frame. Let's go on gold. Let's come back on gold. We have a liquidity swipe, but I'm more in, interested in swipe of this liquidity. Then let's go back to Nasdaq, and let's see if we have any trade. Here we have thunder fair value gap. We did not get a market structure shift. What we did get was this swipe of liquidity, but the thunder structure shift was not there. So we this is a low probable. Is this okay? So this is low probable trading setup. But the market had rejected from it, so we are going to take this on our DFT account. This is DFT, this is DFT account. We are going to take this Nasdaq trade. Let's see if we can, if we short 3 from here, then stop loss. Where is the stop loss? $90 is here. Okay, so we short from here. We can go 4 lots, 5 lots. Okay, so we can go 5 lots all the way to 5 lots. Short. And what we are looking for is the, what liquidity are we looking for here now? We are looking for the swipe of this liquidity here. So let's see the same on the US 100. On US 100, this level is 23848. I think that 23. I hope this thunder fair value gap is respected on this time frame on this asset, because the stack rarely respects the thunder fair value gap. Believe me, the thunder fair value gap is made for gold, not for Nasdaq. But we are taking a trade on it here as well. So here is our TP. Our TP is all the way to here. This will, if we hit the TP, then we hit the profit target. Stop loss is above this candle, and TP is here. Actually, we don't need to come all the way down here. We can stop at how much we are in, $30 of profit only. Hey, which account is this? Okay, so this is, oh, I have taken a big risk now. So this is the Wealthara funded account, and we don't need six. Oh, we need $500 to have this trade account passed. Let's take the trade on Wealthara funded account as well. I mean the direct funded trader account as well. Chart ish. What happens here? Let it. We are not taking XAUSD. We are taking Nasdaq US 100. Let me do one thing first. Delete the GBP Okay. US 100 chart comes up. The chart comes up. Now we are taking trade with here the chart is totally different, man. I think there is some otherness. What is this? This is the account that I think we haven't traded that metal spot indices. I think these are not the ones that we are looking for. NAS 100, SPX 500. These are the ones. And 30, 30, 30. Where is 30? And US 30 cash. I think these are the ones we were looking for. NAS 100 chart. 1 minute. It still looks different. Why is this looking so different? It's NAS 100. What is happening here? I have US 100, I have NAS 100. The chart looks completely different and is totally not moving. Am I in the right place? What is happening, man? Let me delete this one first. We have XAUSD, NAS 100, SPX, and NAS 100 is not moving on this chart, on this platform. What a crazy stuff. So what am I supposed to trade? US 30? If the price action is same, I will trade the US 30. Ish, kind of same. The price action is kind of same, but not as expected, or we are expecting right now. Rise and NAS 100 is not moving. Chart, it's not moving. Let's see. JP database crosses measures manners indices metals WTI indices aus China ESP EU TXT France German SKG Japanese NAS 100 gas SPX US 30 USDX US 100 Nasdaq spot Now let's see if any of them works. NS 100 is not moving. US 100 is kind of moving or not moving. Let's see chart. Yep, this is a chart. I think this is the chart, right? Let's try with 0.01 lot to sell and then see if we can place any order. Stop loss. Okay, so the uh, has this chart stopped moving? Did it move? It moves. So we chart movement countdown to bar close. There is no countdown here. What is this happening, man? US 100, US 530 is moving. US NAS 100 is frozen. US 100 is not moving. It is 2316 somewhere. So I can't take this trade. That is not fair. That's completely not fair. I can't take this trade on. Let me try closing and opening the app. Now let's see. US 30 is moving. Gold is moving. Both the gold indices, gold assets are moving, but NAS 100 is not moving. US 30 is moving, but US 100 is not moving. uh, let's just stay with this one, or what can we say. Okay, so we are in this trade. We need $500 to pass the account, and this trade can give us $500. We have a microstructure shift? Let's look at here. Yes, we do have a market structure shift. Excuse me. On all that remains is that to just wait for the market to fall down and get us to the TP. The market can come all the way down to new day opening high, or it cannot. It can just not come that to the end dog. Both the scenarios are possible. We have taken a trade according to Thunder Fair Value app. The best possible trade place is this one. Market is trying to push lower. If we win this trade, we pass the wealth of 110k account. Okay, so we are currently 0.5% up. 1 minute please. I will just come with a water bottle. I hope the market doesn't do any kind of mischief. So I'm back health and water bottle in my hand. And now let's just observe the market with me. We want a body candle, a proper body candle closer below this line for a proper market structure shift. Although the market structure shift has been confirmed with these two candles and this candle as well, so the market should fall now in the London session. Let's look at gold and see if we can get any kind of trades. The gold is trying to push up higher again, and we don't have any entry right now. Our only possibility is Nasdaq. The trades on Nasdaq has been quite low. I mean, the volume on Nasdaq has been low for now. We can expect higher volumes in just like 10 minutes or something. Let's see if there is any news right now. So at 3:30 there is a CHF Chinese news, 3:45 Euro news. This can affect the market. 4 a.m. nothing, all the way to 8:15. There is a news at 8:15, and after that the Nasdaq will and other markets will give volumes. But before that, I don't think there will be much volume in the Nasdaq. So we are up by 1% now. We need 4 more percent to pass the accounts. Okay, what I say profit threshold. Just have patience and let the market do the work. We should get a fall from here. Let's see in 5 minutes time frame if there is any fair value gap. Well, there is a fair value gap that we have just passed, and this fair value gaps low is here. This would be the resistive one. Let's do this, and this should be the resistive one. This is the last minute till the close of this fair value gap, and we want to close below this fair. We want to close below this. Yeah, let's take this one. We want to close below this. Yep, we closed inside of this 5 minutes fair value gap, and now let's see how the market behaves after this one. Now that we have closed inside of a fair value gap, the market should fall down. That we have broken the 5 minutes fair value gap. Here we have broken the 5 minutes fair value gap, so the market should go down. Or if the market again starts this kind of price action, that is low resistance liquidity runs, then it will spend a whole lot of time inside of this if inefficiency. We are aiming for 1 is to 6.38. That is a big RR. And again, I will say that Thunder model rarely works on Nasdaq. So if it doesn't work, so I'm sorry for that. We have conquered 1 is to 2 RR already. No, we haven't conquered 1 is to 2 RR. How much have we conquered? Let's see. We have like 1.5 RR we were in, and now the market has begun to reprice back a higher. If I had my futures account, then I would not have taken this trade on the futures account. Completely not, because Thunder fair value gap. I can't believe on Thunder fair value gap with indices. It's made for gold and only for gold. Well, this is London session. This is the time the market starts to come down to the opening price of the day, and that is my basis of taking the trade as short. And we had this uh, uh, what I say, Thunder share value gap, so I used it. So I used it to enter the market. I think the market is repricing back to this breaker, high low higher high lower low. If we take a hit stop loss, then this will be a very big stop loss. That is 2 SL worth of one stop loss I have given in here. I was thinking that I'm trading in DFT account, but after taking the trade, I I understood that I have taken the trade in the Wealth or 100 account, but the TP is a whole $500, and this will just pass my account because it is down there. There is liquidity as well. We will end this 30 minutes candle in just 30 seconds. I have lowered the latency for my stream, so you should be able to watch the stream with a lot more lower latency. Let's look at 1 minute time frame and see how it is printing on the marketplace. We don't want to see a shift in market structure here. Let's expand this. We don't want to see a body candle closer above. Uh, and if we do see that, I would like to break even my trade, because I am very. What is happening? What is happening? 330. The market retouched the 100 fair value gap, and it's going higher. I think it's coming back. I think this would be the inversion fair value gap. Let's look at M and Q, and the market is coming back down. Then this will be the inversion fair value gap, all three combined. So let's see if the inversion fair value gaps hold the prices up higher, or if it fails. If it fails, then we are good to go. But if it succeeds to keep the prices higher, then we are doomed to the stop loss, and I don't want to be the doomed, because Avengers Doomsday has yet not released. I was thinking about some kind of this candle, like eating candle, then the next one. I hope we doesn't get any eating candle. Yeah, we are getting an candle eater. Bad for our trade. Market opens at 3 a.m., right? Then where the volume starts kicking in at 3:30 a.m. We are going above from this breaker here. Market touched the breaker and then went up high. Come on, give the wicket and come down. Yep, that's what I wanted to see. Wicket and come down. Now it has touched the inversion fair value gap. Let's see what kind of price action candle prints on the price chart. Come on, break this inversion fair value gap. Break this inversion fair value gap and go lower. Come on, break this inversion fair value gap. Come on, you can do this. What if you want to do this? Now this is a bad candle, and this is a very bad candle, and I'm going to go break even right now, and I have no intention into taking this trade. I will go break even with minimal loss. I shit, I'm not sticking into this trade, man. If it has to go, it has to go from here. I don't want to be take a loss knowing that the market can go to my stop loss. If the market wants to go down, it will just go down from here. Did you just see here? It rejected from just the consequent after touching the consequent settlement of this standard fair inversion fair value gap. And inversion fair value gaps are more powerful than standard fair value gaps on Nasdaq. That has to be said. And that said, I am closing this trade here. Let's see how it behaves. If we go lower, then we will have another trade. After closing this low, we will have this inversion fair value gap to take a lower trade, but for now I am not into any longs, and because there is no target clear target above in the longs and in the short, we don't have any inversion fair value gaps or breakers, and the one that we had is invalidated by this inversion fair value gap. Let's look at gold. The gold has started to go up. It has taken the March 20th London and Asia high. We do have a thunder fair value gap here. The market has yet not touched this fair value gap, and here the market is still struggling with thunder fair value gap to go higher than that. This trade is invalidated and we are out of this trade. Okay, so there's no meaning staying having these things in on the chart. But if you get a body candle close below this low, we can have a trade. Come on, gold, and it will go higher. Is there any marking above? It's the March 19th opening price, so the gold can go all the way up there. So should I jump into the gold trade? Nah, I'm not jumping into the gold trade. I closed this trade just with actually my SL was hit here. That's why I had to close this trade. Actually, the trade was closed at 1 is to 5 somewhere here. Yes, here. It came back and closed. It took our SL here. And I think Trump is speaking or something. That's why the market is going like this. No one should have taken any kind of loss today because I already said we are going out of the trade and we closed the trade with 1% $1 in profit. How much of PP this is? Pips are these? This is 710 pips. Is there anything above? Nothing much marked on this. Let's see if there is anything marked above. Yes, there is end above 26th, 24th. Market might try to go till there, but I am still on shorts and I am waiting for sorting the sorting position. for a sorting opportunity, and this was that opportunity. It is the failure to break the market structure shift, and this could be a model for many people, but not for me. If we get a market structure shift here, this will become our inversion fair value gap. Let's see if it happens or not. So we are kind of getting a we are kind of going to get a market structure shift here, inversion fair value gap. Let's see if we get a market structure shift and take a trade, then what will be our stop loss? How much will be our stop loss if we just take a trade from here? 19 more seconds to end this candle. Now that's a big candle down. We are 8 more seconds. Oh, now this is something that I wanted to see. Okay, so we get. I hope this candle comes up to here, at least here, and maybe I think we will get a good trading. Uh, we will get a good trade if we hit our what I say, if we get filled in. If we get filled in, I think we will get a very good trade. Let's see if we get filled in or not. Let's try to take this trade on this account. I mean, this trade can literally pass the account, so why not to take it? US 100 is not working, NAS 100 both. The indices are not working. NAS 30, let's see. NAS 30 1 minute. Yep, it's working. So let's take the trade on NAS 130 only. Okay, so we are into the trade. We are filled in the trade, and now let's see if the trade goes in our direction or not. We have sudden volume increase. Our trade was here, so we are filled in. Our stop loss is here. It is $60 in stop loss, and let's risk something like 0.5 stop loss above this 0.123. Okay, let's have this as our entry. Okay, done. 5 minutes time, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. TP will be, let's just go for $400 because we are already $100 up, right? We are $100 up. If we get filled in and get to TP, then we have passed this account. But the question is, will we get filled in? I want to enter the trade on wealth or funded account. Yes, we are filled in, and we are kind of losing the trade. I think the market should reverse. I still think the market should reverse. Can you see this candle? It rejected directly from the consequent encroachment. I think we must be filled in on the other account as well. If we hit a stop loss, then just one thing it has to be said, that the market is totally bullish and the market can go to the moon. I mean the Nasdaq can go to the moon. The market is coming down. Let's mark our entry, exit, and TP again. Entry is 23984, 23984 is our entry. Our exit is 23999, 23999 is our exit. That is T stop loss, and our exit is 23858. It should be here, 238. What? Wait a minute, isn't this too low? I think it should be here somewhere. 2385858. Let's come back on 1 minute, and let's mark the inversion fair value gap for our psychological welfare. This is the inversion fair value gap, right? This is the inversion fair value gap. The fair value gap which is supposed to keep the prices lower, and we are in we are just into this trade. The market is really volatile and is consolidating at our entry point, and that is not good. Market is just rejecting against our trade, and I don't like that. It is giving me chills. What I say? What did that say? Goosebumps. Because this is a very good trade. If we win this trade, if we hit our daily profit requirement, just give a body candle close below this, and we will be happy. I mean, I will be happy. So we are 1% up again. Let's look at MNQ. MNQM. Let's give a body candle close below this. Yep. Now it's going well in our direction. Okay, so let's look at. Just wait for this candle to close. We don't want this candle to come back and close inside this inversion fair value gap. That would be disastrous for our trade. Now let's come back here and observe the trade. We have our two good candle closers, and now we can be assured that we will hit the full TP. Just be Let it is like halfway towards our TP. Yes, it's halfway towards our TP. It's already halfway towards our TP. We need just same amount of uh, we need same more amount to take the profit. Like look at US 30, if it has fallen as well. Yes, the US 30 has fallen as well because we have taken our trade on DFT account on US 30 because the other assets were not working. Let's look at it. We are $400. We are just, let's US 30 chart. We are just a little bit away from our take profit. We are at $300 80. We need 100 more dollars. I get one more fall. One more fall will give us the full TP. Just come down. We are $400 for 50. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit, $50 more, and we will pass this account, the second phase of DFT account. We need $80 more, and market has started to reject, but I know it will not reject. It will come down. I'm sure it will come down. Come down, please, because there is liquidity. Even this liquidity has yet not been swiped. Market will come to swipe out this liquidity at least. Yes, so the market has again begun to come down. Look at US 30. Even US 30 has started. The Let's mark the entry and exit here as well. This is our inversion fair value gap. We took entry with here. Our our entry was 46649. 46649. We entered here. 46649 was our entry. 46675. 46675 was our stop loss, and our exit is 46507. 46507. Here is our exit. So we need just a little bit more to take the full TPI and get out of the trade. There is liquidity here and here as well. The market should come down. 546507. 46507. Okay, let's look at US 100. The US 100 is coming down. This liquidity has been swiped on US 100, so there could be some pullbacks. I'm not saying the market will go all the way up, but there will be some pullbacks, and then the market will again come down. US 30, we are getting very bad pullbacks. This is not good. Looking on the 5 minutes time frame, it is nearly okay. Let's this 5 minutes candle close, then we will have another, I think, another red candle. Let this 5 minutes candle close. At least I will go break even in profits of 1% again. Modify here, and let's get back to our, yet someone will connect and do something bad. We are 3% up, and we don't want to lose all our profits, so we are going to be at least to 1.5% in 1.6% in BE. Now let's watch and see what happens. This is US 30, it's going down again. We should be good with our TP. US 30. Let's look at DFT account. US 30 chart. Yep, as I said, there will be another bearish candle. The market has started to come down, and this was inversion fair value gap. Minus IFVG. We just need just one candle that will get the full TP smashed. Why is the market rejecting? There is liquidity above. There is this was there were there were two liquidities here which are swiped. I think that is the reason why market is behaving this way. Let's look at US 100. US 100 is also behaving with some pullbacks, and we have moved our stop loss. We are currently in $351 in profit. If I close the trade out now, we might get to hit the TP in the next session, that is January session. But for now, I am not doing anything. I will just have this trade sit here, and I think the market will go down. I am sure of it. The market will go down and hit the TP on both US 100 and US 30. When we did now look, when we are about to take a good trade, no one is here in the YouTube. This is nearly 1:5 trade in just few minutes. Literally we took that we got into this trade like 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 10 11 12 14 minutes in 14 minutes, and we are nearly more than 80% our in towards our TP. US 100 doing the same kind of price action as well. We have lower target on US 100, and on US 500 we have a little lower upper higher target. Means that US 100 we will on US 100 the market has to go lower than US 30 to meet our target expectations. I mean the target take profits. The market has again began to come down. Let's look at US 30. Well, this is I think wealth or funded account. Yes, this is wealth or funded account. Is this wealth or funded account? No, this is DFT account. We are monitoring right now because the take profit is lower than the US 100, and I think the US 30 will hit the take profit first. So once we hit the take profit on this account, we will go to the US 100, that is wealth or funded account, to monitor that trade on MT5. But first let's monitor this trade just a little bit more, and we can hit our target. We need just $50 more, just 50 more dollars, and we will hit our target. But there is a fair value gap on 5 minutes time frame, and I think that is rejecting the prices higher. And let me show you, there is a fair value gap on 5 minutes time frame just where our TP is, and that is being a big resistance to our prices going lower. There is a fair value gap. This one is the fair value gap. The market hasn't touched it yet, but well, we have another 5 minutes candle and it is going down as well. We need just $50 to meet our uh, total profit, I mean the profit target. Then I will have to trade only some few days, to like 3 or 4 days. Today is the first day, so I will have to trade 4 more days to meet the minimum trading days requirement on this DFT account. and on that wealth or a funded account, I think I have to trade like 3 or 4 more days. I think I have to trade only 2 or 3 days. Okay, just calm down, man. I can have the patience. I can have the belief in my model. I do have patience and believe in my model. So we are in macro time frame and we have the new hourly candle now. And we had a great London Asia session now, and now we are also having a great London session as well. The TP is nearly hit. We are closed. We have, yep, we have hit the target on US 30. Now let's go at an our wealth or a funded account and see how it's going. US 100. Now we need, here we are on US 100. We need just a little bit more. We need $100 more to pass this account, and we don't need to worry because there is a liquidity pool here that the market will come to swipe out, and when the market swipes this liquidity pool, we will hit our target. Hello Gazi, how are you? Welcome on the stream. We just hit a take profit on US 30 and passed our DFT account, and now we are about to we have just passed the wealth direct funded trader account second phase with US 30 trade, and now we are about to pass the second phase of or a funded account with US 100 trade. I think you are the one who didn't receive the DFT account, but I had submitted your email, so I can't say anything after that. Should we take a partial? Where how much in we are in 300? We are almost 4% up on this trade, and I'm sure that the market will go down. There is no doubt about that. It is just how much points are there. It's just 22.20 points. That is 200 ticks. But we are having a pullback from this 5 minutes order block. I think this liquidity should have been swiped at least, and that was our target. Our target was way above the liquidity, and if we get a market structure shift, then I have to rethink about trading my stop loss to at least a more lower place. But we have just taken out this liquidity, and this liquidity, the liquidities have been swiped. No, the market did not close off this week, so we can be assured that the market will come down, or the prices will come down. Well, if you are on the stream, like the stream and subscribe to the channel, because we just hit 2 TPs with 5 RR in just one session. We need just one more big candle down to downside, and we will end this trade with profits and passing the account. How much are we in? We are $380. We are $400 in profit, and we are now 470, 460, 470. We need 30 more dollars, and as soon as we get the TP, we will have that. We are 480, 485, 481, $20 more to pass the account, but I will go a little bit above the $500 so that I can trade the minimum trading days with at least in a safe margin. 23858, 23858, it's 6187. So we will hit the target, I am sure of that, and I will hold the trade. So I will end the stream at 5 a.m. So one more hour I will stay here with you all, and then I will start the stream again at 7 a.m. I don't want to start the stream at 8 a.m. anymore because I don't like to trade after the market opening. Mm, Actually, I like to trade before the market opens, until the market open. We have one more minute till this 5 minutes candle closer, and then we can expect a big candle to swipe the liquidity below and take our and hit the take profit. So heavily, so it's still not, we haven't hit the profit target yet. Just the last 2 minutes of this 5 minute candle, and then we can expect a big candle to swipe this liquidity out. Mhm. The last minute of this micro time frame. So we are $2 away from our target. So we have hit our target, and now we were yeah, so we have hit our profit target, but we want still little bit more profit. So we are holding this trade. I will drag down this all the way to here. I have dragged down the stop loss. I hope my TP is taken out first rather than the stop loss. We are in a new 10 minutes candle, new 5 minutes candle. Two three nine zero one is our stop loss. 23901, 23901, this is our stop loss. So we are in a virtual trade like this. This is our, sorry, this is our stop loss, and this is our target. We are in a virtual trade like this. We are 5,000 and we are above our peak profit. Just one more point, just one more point. Yep, our TP is hit. Our TP was little bit below. Okay, our TP is hit now. Our TP is hit on both the places. Massive win, massive win, massive win, massive win on both the accounts. Both US 30 and US 500. Massive win, massive win, man, massive win. That's a massive win. Today we win, we won massive, and I think we are done for the day and done for the session. So let's just trade more. I mean, do some virtual trading today now, from now on, and see how it goes. Close. We are $500 up in this wealth or a funded account, and on this account DFT we are we closed it for $400 in profit. So we have passed both the accounts, and now we will trade on that the loosely keeping account that is in a very big massive drawdown. Let's look at wealth or a funded on the wealth or a funded account and see how is the uh, account right now. Here is it. So we have passed what is blue, what is green. So we have passed both the, so it's for trading days. I think I need to trade one more day, and then we will have the, so then equal to 5 days, counting every day with at least one trade. Okay, so we need one more trading day on wealth or a funded account to pass the account, and then we will receive the funded account afterwards. On direct funded trader, let me show you what how's the case. Direct funded trader account dashboard. Now you will be able to see this is the, at least the first password is me trading overview. Okay, so completed. How is this completed? Yes, this one will be the target. It's phase 2 we are in. Yep, here it go. I, what is this? We have completed the profit target just now. I think it has not updated yet. Current result 0. Yes, this is the first day of our trading. Max loss is $1,000. Max daily loss is $500. Profit target, where is permitted loss? Profit, there is no consistency, and I think I have passed the account. Let's look at dashboard. Profit target met. Today's profit $500. Today's peak loss $205. So that we have reached the profit target on this as well. So both the accounts have passed, and I am very happy right now. So I will close the stream now. I think I should stay here for 1 hour more. So let's stay here for an hour more. Whew, what a big win. What a big win. What a big win. Account cleared. Let's post this image on the wealth or funded accounts. Content creators. Phase 2 is cleared as well. Now we can request payouts. Phase 2 account cleared. Okay, so I think I should stop the stream now because there is nothing to do anymore. And or should I stick with our plan and I should stick here till the 5 a.m. I think I should stream for at least 2 hours and stick here for that session. London session. Let's look at GBP USD, GBP USD, forex.com. Did we had any longs? Yes, we did had some longs here, just like gold. Nope. Let's look at crude oil. Crude oil is having a long. We have a long position at crude oil. The market has yet not touched this inversion fair value gap. The market can come. Listen, boys, this is for you. Okay, this trade is for you. The market can come all the way down and then go back up till till here, up to here. Market can come back and go up to 101 level. Gold, I am uncertain on gold. I want either of these liquidities to be swiped to look for long position again. Now Nasdaq is giving a net a pullback, but it is not giving a pullback. I am telling you, it is just giving a fake out. This is like when the stop losses were buy stops were taken out, the market is behaving like that way. So we had huge wins on both US 30 and US 100. We passed 2 account profit targets today and we are good for the day. Now we look for other. Now we just look at gold. We are here for 40 more minutes, or I should close the trade right now. Okay, let's see if we can trade this account as well. Here is that account. We have only $200 in drawdown left, and if we pass this account as well, then we will have two funded accounts with wealth or funded. Sorry, bro. I said I would stay here till 5 a.m., but I don't think I should be here because we are not having like a webcam. If we had a webcam, then we could have a lot of fun and we could have joined with a lot of other peoples. But for now, I think I should close the stream. So bye bye. Take care and be safe. Happy trading. I am very happy right now. Bye.